Welcome back to Skyway Classic Cars YouTube channel with Shane and Nyla. Here to show you our 1994 Bronco in dark blue paint with dark blue interior. This car comes with power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning. Got a fresh set of tires on it. Ready to enjoy some off-roading.
Got the blue on blue.
Power sliding rear window. Killer tow hitch and bars already there.
It's ready to roll out. Got the blue interior.
Blue four-wheel drive.
Awesome. Let's take it for a ride. Go ahead and start it up. In the Bronco. I think we did have the faceplate for this. We did have it. It's somewhere for sure. But it's got the removable faceplate on there. AC works.
AC's working.
Awesome. Alright, we're turning back around because we're getting back to the shop. We're going to put it on the lift. Take a look underneath. But if you're looking for a decent Bronco, maybe a work truck, something like that, this is the one. Come check us out.